How to start live streaming on YouTube. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube, then navigate to the YouTube Studio. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner and select the option YouTube Studio. Once you're in the YouTube Studio, now click on the option Create and navigate to the option Go Live. You'll be directed to this page. Whether you want to stream right now or later, choose any of the option that is suitable for you. In order to go live, you'll need to select whether you want to use built-in webcam or streaming software. I'm going to select streaming software. Is this video made for kids? Select the option of your choice and click on Save. Now you'll need to customize these settings given over here. Click on the option Edit. You can give it a title and add some description. Likewise, how do you want to go live? You can select that and click on Save. Now, you have to set up the streaming settings. Customize all of these. Then you can copy your stream key. Now you'll need to download this app, OBS Studio. Then launch it. Now head over to the settings option. Select the option Stream. Click on this drop down for service and select YouTube. Now here you will need to paste the stream key that you have just copied. After you paste that, click on OK and apply. Now go ahead and select the display source. Then you can click on Start Streaming. You'll be live. So this is how you can easily start live streaming on YouTube. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.